Abluba animation, get over here right now. Abluba animation. How dare you use the free sound baby crying? Did you know the sound effect is so annoying for me and makes my life worse? You should try using the yoshino crying sound effect, but no, you do not listen to me. You did not listen to me when you add the kids cheering sound effect in your beginning video like this for your punishment, making you listen to the Phineas and Ferb theme song.
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good way to spend it.
Like maybe
building a rocket, or fighting a mummy, or climbing up the Eiffel Tower. Discovering something that doesn't exist, or giving a monkey a shower. Surfing tidal waves, creating nanobots, or locating Frankenstein's brain.
it's over here.
Finding a dodo bird, painting a continent, or driving our sister insane.
Phineas!
As you can see, there's a whole lot of stuff to do before school starts this fall.
Come on, Barry!
So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all. So stick with us, cause Phineas and Ferb are gonna do it all.
Mom! Phineas and Ferb are making a title sequence!
There's 104 days of summer vacation, and school comes along just to end it. So the annual problem for our generation is finding a good...
That was your punishment for using that sound effect. End of call out.